Huawei returns with a new set of true wireless headphones, Freebuds SE2. The price is between 40 and €50, so they are mid-range headphones. Are they worth your money? Let's find out. The buds do not have silicone ear tips because they have an open design. They come in two variants, white and blue, or, according to Huawei, ceramic white and aisle blue. The headphone case is small, and the construction is made of quality plastic, giving a premium feel. The lid opens easily with a finger, has a firm opening, and the closing sound is pleasant. The headphones are dust and splash resistant. On the front of the case, you will find an LED indicating the approximate battery level. If you open the case's lid, the headphones enter pairing mode. The buds weigh 3.8 grams each, and the case weighs 33 grams with the headphones. So they are extremely lightweight. The headphones themselves have a generic design made of good quality plastic. On the face of the headphones, you are greeted with a pleasant smile. The battery life is amazing. The headphones can last up to 9 hours of listening, and with the case battery, they can reach 40 hours in total, allowing for an additional 3 charges. We haven't been able to deplete the headphones' battery in 7 hours, so we believe their claim. The headphones can be used independently, so you can theoretically double the battery life if you wish. They do not have multi-point support. Unfortunately, they do not have in-ear detection sensors and do not automatically pause when taken out of your ears. The drivers are decent at 10 millimeters, and they sound reasonably loud. If you like your music to thump in your ears, these may not be exactly what you're looking for. The sound is very well balanced, and through the AI Life application, available on Android and iOS, you can set multiple profiles: bass boost, treble boost, and voices. In default mode, there is sufficient bass for open design headphones. They sound balanced on most types of songs. The app is simple and allows you to update the headphones and change the gestures on the stems, switching from play pause to next song, previous song, or voice assistant. You cannot adjust the volume on the stems. From our tests, the call quality is very good. So if you want them for office calls, they are suitable, especially since the battery lasts quite a long time. Connectivity is Bluetooth 5.3, and they connect very quickly. It takes about 3 seconds to connect to your phone once you open the case lid. They support the classic AAC and SBC codecs. They do not have wireless charging. To reset the headphones, in case you can't connect them to another device after the initial pairing, follow these steps. With the headphones in the case, touch the sensor area on the stem and keep contact until the LED on the case flashes white, and then after about 7 seconds, it flashes red. Done! They are reset. If you like this video, we invite you to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments, and we will try to respond as quickly as possible.